Hello everyone, it's UB. Welcome to a trade review video. Official trade from the Haven from my official trade section number 103. It's an Ethereum long. The entry is 1754 to 1745. Stop loss just below 1700. Take profit 1 you can see on the screen there. Take profit 2 and 3 I'm not really going to go over because they're really nothing special. I just want to go over why I decided to long here. And why I believe that this could be the last bounce before 2K. Maybe not. I'm just playing it level by level, but let's go through it here, and you can come to your own conclusions. So this entry is almost 100% because we are retesting this previous consolidation block right here. Right, so if we take this amount of time, we're consolidating before breaking out for 19 hours. All of that volume that went in there, all of the longs, all of the shorts, right? We shouldn't easily be able to break through this area without at least some sort of bounce, right? All we're looking for is maybe 50 points, maybe 100 points. Again, maybe this isn't the bounce to 2K, maybe this isn't the final dip, but regardless, this should provide some sort of bounce, right? We're in a bull market. There's a lot of FOMO in the market, so a consolidation retest like we're seeing here, this long consolidation, should provide some sort of significant bounce. So definitely keep an eye on retests like this on your charts, regardless of what the asset is. Like, any altcoin really. What else? Ethereum, Bitcoin, like they're going to consolidate. When they break out and slowly bleed down and retest that consolidation period, that should be a very clear trade for you. Just buy the immediate retest of the top of the consolidation. Your invalidation is below that consolidation period, right? Exactly what we have here. So we'll clearly be invalid if price starts to drift back into this consolidation block, because there's really no reason why we should be continuing to consolidate in this area if things are bullish. We should get a strong reaction, which we're seeing now. We're about 20 points up from the lowest entry, 10 points up from the highest entry, so looking decent for now. What else am I really looking for? I'm just looking for us to stay above this swing low right here, so 1758 and then 1761-ish, around in that area. So that's something to look out for there. My first take profit, I just want to see a test of that current local high we have going on there. If we do actually hit take profit 1, I think we'll very quickly go to take profit 2 and then take profit 3. Again, just check my official trade section to see what those areas are. But I think that because we'll be breaking these series of lower highs on the hourly right here, so maybe we do something like this, break out and then test that local high. And if we retest that series of lower highs as support, that will be a compound area, which I'll definitely be keeping my eye on, and I'll notify you guys if I add to this long position at any point. That's really it. I also just cleaned up a chart so you can kind of visually see it a little bit better. All right, clear series of lower highs, clear consolidation block for however many hours I said, 19 hours, right? So that doesn't, 19 or 18 hours isn't like some specific magic number. It's just the fact that we consolidated for so long before making a move that that will be a significant area. It would have been the same trade, obviously just in the opposite direction, if we broke down from this area, right? So this is a short I would take, probably something like this, if we ended up breaking down from this consolidation, right? And then doing this exact pattern just in the opposite direction, this would be a short. Okay, so very clear setup. We'll see what happens. If you guys have any further questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you.